Hello, mutable signs. How are y'all? We're about to find out. Welcome, welcome, all of my spiritual guides. We are ready to deliver onto my lovely mutable signs, my Geminis, okay, my Pisces, my Virgos, my Sagittarius. What are the strongest energies in their lives right now, my lovely? Thank you. Thank you very, very much. That's that. That's all of them. All right, y'all. Thank you, my universal powers. We are about to dive into this reading. Okay. Reflection. What is bothering you? It's time for you to figure this out. Remove the obstacles that are in your way and be releasing of old energy so that you can grow. Grow into more love within yourself, okay? Within your partner, within the people around you, the people that love you. Release old negative self-sabotaging habits. Yes. Figure out your trigger. Whatever is triggering you. If you already know, then you know what to do. But if you don't know, you will figure this out by mirror reflection. Speaking to yourself in the mirror. Looking at yourself. And figuring out what it is that you need to change within yourself. Okay? My lovely mutable signs. I have the Death card next. Transformation is near. This occurs when we correct ourselves. There's no need for you to stay stagnant. Be open to new waters. Be open to move forward. Be open to more blessings. Be open to this transformation. This is not death. These are new beginnings. Even though it's the Death card, y'all get what I'm saying, right? Y'all get it. All right, my lovely mutable signs. We have the Emperor. You have someone coming into your life that will help you regain stability. You need this. Let this flow into your life with ease. There is no need to control this energy that is about to come into your life. This person is very aware of themselves and they are responsible. They hold themselves responsible for their actions and the things that they say. They hold a high value of respect for themselves. So they will respect you too. And it will help you. So next I have the Devil card. Ooh, things sometimes remain chained up when we don't cry. Release unnecessary energies. It is time. It's okay to cry. And it is okay to remove people out of your life who hinder you, who hinder your growth, who keep you in the same spot or try to. Remove them, you know, or let them remove themselves. Once you level up, you know, people are going to fall away. Like, they won't have a choice but to fall away. So next I have Ace of Swords. Remembering that time blesses people when they are sufficient in their doings. You don't have to change for them. Change for you. Show yourself what you are capable of doing. Your angels are supporting you, fully supporting you. They want to see you try more. They want to see you do more. They want to see you successful. Try your best to refrain from negative self-talk. Speak positivity into your life, my lovely mutable signs. All right, so I have a Four of Swords. Inner work is required in order for you to move forward. Meditation, prayer, and also a lot of rest. Sleep. You need more rest in your life. Some of you. Pay attention to your dreams. Signs in your dreams. Things that you need to know. Pay attention. If you remember it when you wake up, use that and apply it in your life. Like, apply what you remember to the situation it resonates with and store it as information. Okay, so King of Wands. Everything is not always as it seems. Sometimes you are the one who needs to be corrected. You need to ask more questions when you are unsure of things. No one knows it all. Be willing to grow. Ask questions when you are unsure of whatever it is. Even if it seems silly or simple, ask the question. Because deception comes, you leave room for deception when you are unsure, okay, about someone's intentions or their motives. So ask questions so that you can receive the answers that you need. Okay, I heard there is truth in everyone. Even the biggest liar tells the truth at times. Oh, wow. That's very true. Okay, so next I have Nine of Wands. Sometimes being on guard is good for you. But you can't let this hold you back from growth. If your angel sends someone your way, you will know. And their energy will be peaceful. And you need to let them in. Okay? Guard your heart, but be aware that everyone is not coming to harm you. So next I have the Nine of Cups. You are receiving blessings now that you have done the work. So some of you have already done this work. And for those of you who is going to do the inner work, you will receive a lot of blessings. Tangible blessings, things that you can touch, you can see, you can feel. All right, tangibly. Okay, so at the bottom of the deck, I have the Ten of Swords. Nothing is worse than when we are untrue to ourselves. Tell yourself the truth at all times. You need to hear it from you. No one else can guide you if you are misleading yourself. That's deep. And then at the top of the deck, Nine of Swords. It's okay to cry. It's time for you to release. Just don't form a habit of self-distress. So just because you cry And release don't mean that you have to be sad the next day or all night. If you want to cry, cry yourself to sleep. Get a great night's rest and wake up refreshed and feeling better in the morning. Wake up happy that you were able to release whatever it was. I heard resentment. To release that resentment that you're holding on to. Some of you are resenting, okay, your family, old friends, past lovers, whatever it is. Cry it out and wake up a whole new person. Or just cry it out and wash your face and be happy that you were able to release that. Okay? Yes, my darlings. Thank you, my angels. Okay, yeah, we're going to move on to this before we go to that. So, what kind of energy? Thank you. Chakra. 6th chakra, 3rd eye chakra. Wisdom and discernment. Okay, color indigo, location between the eyebrows, regulates pituitary glands, eyes, nose, sinuses, head, and face. It is associated with wisdom, detachment, discernment, imagination, intuition, knowledge, and trusting in a higher source. So, I am open to understanding the spiritual truths behind the situations occurring in my life right now. I offer my wisdom to assist others along their path. I trust in my higher source to guide me and to help others who ask for my guidance. I practice discernment and listen deeply within for truth. I choose to respond to rather than just reacting to situations, acting with clarity, courage, and conviction. Ace. Yes, darlings. So next we're going to move on to Work Your Light Oracle Deck by Rebecca Campbell. All right, pulling the card. No. Wait, postpone, pause, say no. Let's see. Let's go to the page. Connect this to however it resonates to you in your life. Show you the picture. You are being called to either pause or say no. Saying yes to something that isn't in alignment with you will drain your energy and your time. Hold out for congruent, aligned 100% yes. Often when we are looking for guidance to make a decision, it can be frustrating not to move into clear and considered action. However, timing is everything, and not receiving clear guidance is actually guidance in itself. We all go through times known as waiting periods. These times are crucial for our body to regenerate, the new paths to formulate, and the universe to begin creating things on our behalf. You don't need to be plowing forward all the time to move forward. A potent, congruent yes when the time is right will put you ahead leaps and bounds. Don't force things now just because it seems like the only option. Take a breather and wait. The waiting is actually very productive for when the time for movement comes. You will be ready to dive right in. Use this time to regenerate and ponder what you truly want. Consider the options if the options are not clear. Don't fear, because this time is a gift. Use it to tend to your garden and to take a rest, to take a moment from your busy life to clear the decks and prepare for the time in the future. For come spring, clarity will bloom and you will have the reserved space and drive to say yes and act and move quickly. Work your light, say no, postpone, or wait. All right. So next, darlings, we're going to move on to Soul Coaching Oracle Cards Guidebook by Denise Lynn. Pulling Voyage. I am safe in love no matter where I am. Show you the picture. Voyage card meaning a journey is coming. Rather than staying in a safe harbor, let your sails unfurl to the wind. The universe absolutely knows, cherishes, and protects you as you ride the currents of your life. Your soul wants you to know your life is a spiritual voyage, and it isn't always what it seems. There have been no wrong turns. Every adventure and misadventure was a part of this course. You are a sacred traveler on a pilgrimage to your soul. There's always a deeper meaning to your life's journey than what appears on the surface. Even when you are sailing through dark waters and stormy seas, if you allow yourself to feel it, you'll know that you are always seen, loved, and cherished by the universe, the creator, and your angels. Affirmation: I am safe and loved no matter where I am. Write it down if you must. I am safe and loved no matter where I am. Yes. So beautiful. I really do appreciate y'all letting me borrow your energies. And I appreciate all the light and love that you send my way. I appreciate those who have booked readings with me. Thank you. And I appreciate those who like and subscribe. We're going to close this out with some frequencies from my Tibetan bowl. Bringing you grace, love, clarity, peace, lots of healing, better health, and more peaceful rest. Confidence for growth and improvements in your life. All right. Get in touch with your heart chakra. Some of you need to wear more green. And that's that. I love you all, and I appreciate the energies. I'll see y'all soon.